Okay, now we're left with a slight problem. And if we look at the web page here, let's zoom in on the web page. Oops, let me zoom out. And what you see is, well, from a distance it works, but we want all of these, look at the, see the difference in the size and the fact that this is really small. We want to have 100%, so we want the whole web page to be showing, but we don't want to have all these pictures being so gigantic. So what we need to do is we need to force them to be a certain size. And the way we do this is we go back over here, and we can choose either height or width. And for our purposes, we're going to choose height. And so let's just let's get started. So it's H-E-I-G-H-T. Again, spelling is critical. If you don't spell the word height correctly, it's not going to work. It's not going to work the way you expect it to. So anyway, you're going to put height equals, and then the size, which is 200. So let's just do that for just this one. And actually, I'm going to do the other one. Let's do the other one, and we'll say width equals 50, just for fun. And then we'll do this one, and we'll make it height equals 100, and width equals 100. And that's going to cause us a problem, and you'll see in a second. Okay, so we're going to go save, come back over here, hit F5, and let's see what we have. Well, we've got three different things going on now. This is height of 200. This is a width. It's forcing it to be 50 wide. I don't know what they are, if they're pixels or whatever they are. Now this one you can't really see it, but the problem is, it's probably better if I do it on the other one here. Let me do it on the GIF. Let's see, I'll copy that and put this right here. All right, save and put this again. Okay, now notice that the GIF now, what's the problem with it? Well, we're forcing it to be a shape it's not supposed to be. With the other two, what it does is it adjusts one and the other one follows in its path. But if you say that something has to be X height and X width, it forces it into that. So we forced it to be a square. But what I'd like you to do for this particular thing is just height equals 200. So let's just copy that, and we're just going to paste it right here. Paste, and it's 2000. We don't want that. And there we go. All right, so it's a simple copy and paste. I'm going to save, come back over here, and each of these is now the same height. So that if I now, there we go. So notice that they're all now exactly the same height, not the same width, but the same height, and that's what we want.